Hello everybody, today I will be installing Windows Longhorn, or what some people like to call it, Microsoft Windows Vista Beta. This is build 4074, and as you can see we have the product key, an American version of it, and we also have a message from WinWorld PC. So let's start creating the virtual machine. So let's create a new virtual machine, and then let's drag in the file, and don't use easy install, it causes a lot of problems. And let's finish that. Let's name it Windows Longhorn, no not J, Build 4074. And now let's save it, and it's starting, and the network adapter is not working. Well, we'll fix that later. Okay, Windows setup. Just waiting for it to start. Now it's just loading. Setup is starting. Now I will speed up the process in the time lapse so you won't have to wait another hour. So time lapse starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so now that the setup is done and it's starting up, and it clearly says it's Windows Longhorn, but in the other setup parts it said Windows XP. And it's still starting. Then it's loading now, waiting for GP client. Takes some time, so I'll just time warp, I guess. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Control Delete to login. On Mac there's no delete key, so it's FN backspace, Control FN backspace, that worked. Now I'll just enter my password, and another waiting for GP client, so I'll just time warp. And there we have it, Windows Longhorn. Now, as you can see, there's some black bars, but don't worry about that. I'll set it up. in another time lapse. Go. Okay, so now the installation is done, and the start menu doesn't take up the whole screen, and let's see if the internet works. Well, apparently not. We'll do that in the next video. Then